Hi guys, this is my 22nd video for DBMS question series. So in this video I'm going to talk about the questions as 22. So let's read the first question. Find the details of the students who participated in the singular subject in the examination held on 2023-15. Let's copy this date. Okay guys, this is the query for the first question. So let's see the query. We select all the details from the student table and inner join the student exam mark record table on the index numbers, then inner join the exam term table on the term ID, and the condition is the subject ID equal 3, that means the singular subject, and the exam date is equal to this is got by the exam term table. So let's execute the query and see the result. Okay, we can see these are the details of the student participated in this date. So let's go to the next question. Sadun Vijayaratna find out the marks of the examinations in which the student appeared on 2023-15, the date of examination, the term, the number of admissions, the name and the name of the subject. So guys, let's write this query. Okay guys, this is the query for the second question. So let's execute the query and see the result. Okay, here is the result. The exam date, the first term, the count of the student is 24, subject name is mathematics. Okay guys, let's go to the next question. Find the name, subject, marks, term of the examination, date of the examination of the students who obtained between 40 and 70 marks in the subject of mathematics held on 2020-17. Okay, we have to find the name, subject, marks. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, this is the query for the third question. Let's see the query. We select the first name, last name, subject name, mark, term name and the exam date from the student table. Then we inner join the exam mark record table from the index number. Then we inner join the subject table from the subject ID. Then exam term table from the term ID. And then we add the condition exam mark record mark is greater than 40, the mark is less than 70. Now let's execute and see the result. We got this. You can see all the marks are between 40 and 70. So this is the query for the third question. Let's go to the next question. Okay guys, the next question is, who is the highest scoring student in the first term out of all the subjects? Okay guys, this is the query for the fourth question of the questions 22. Let's execute the query and see the result. Okay, we got the reasons of Vikramanayake as the result. So this is the end of my question set 22 video. So hope you guys to see in my 23rd video. Thank you guys for watching.